Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a Google Authenticator entry from your account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This is the app where all your two-factor authentication codes are stored, and it's essential for keeping your accounts secure across various platforms. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a list of all the registered Authenticator entries on your screen. These are all the accounts you've linked to Google Authenticator for that extra layer of security. To remove a specific entry, you'll need to locate the account you want to delete from this list. Take a moment to scroll through and find the exact entry you're looking to remove. Once you've located the account, here's what you need to do. Simply swipe the account entry to the left, and as you do this, you'll notice a trash bin icon appearing on the right side of that entry. This is the delete function built into the app, and it's designed to make removing entries quick and straightforward. Continue swiping the entry until a prompt window appears on your screen. This prompt window is actually a confirmation dialog that notifies you about the account being removed from your authenticator. It's an important safety feature that prevents you from accidentally deleting entries you might still need. The system wants to make sure you're certain about this action because once an entry is removed, you'll need to set it up again from scratch if you want to use it in the future. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed with removing this entry, simply tap on the Remove Account button in the confirmation window. Once you tap this button, the account entry will be immediately removed from your Google Authenticator app, and you'll no longer see it in your list of active Authenticator entries. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Google Authenticator entry from your app, cleaning up your list and keeping only the accounts you actively use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.